Pound it. Pound it, bro. Pound it, bro. Boy, is it hot today. We're gonna do some crazy things today. We're about to buy 2 cars. I'm about to go pick one of them up right now. I gotta go get like a cashier's check because Fu won a bid on a TSX today, as you guys can see in the thumbnail. That's gonna be sick. And then also later on today, I'm gonna go pick up my 350Z. I've been wanting and waiting and finally one popped up for a really good price. And I'm about to go pick it up tonight. So stoked on that. 2 new cars on the channel. Let's go ahead and head to the bank right now because we got a lot of driving to do and a lot of money to spend. So let's go. Just made it to the bank. Let's go become broke real quick. And then we're gonna go ahead to Ogden, which is like an hour away to pick up the new TSX. My Uber's here. You look beautiful. Thanks.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights.
Look at my mans right now, if I can get to him. Ooh, shit.
Okay. I mean, we probably wouldn't die, but you know.
You want to do it?
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Well, 100K?
100K, yeah.
100K, we'll go fucking paragliding. We made it.
Is it?
I don't know. This is it.
This is it.
I. We won it at an auction, so this is our first time here. Maybe, oh, right there. Down there, yes. Oh shit, we about to pick up this fucking ugly ass car. This thing's so ugly, but we're gonna turn it into something nice. I'm so glad I didn't win the other 350Z that's here. Cause a red one popped up and I'm about to buy it today.
Oh shit.
But you guys won't see it till tomorrow, so. Or the next video if I get it. But high chances I'm gonna get it. I don't know where to go in here.
I don't know either. Well, I guess we'll just park.
Yeah, employee entrance. Nope, that's not us. Oh shit, bro. Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys right here and we're gonna go inside and see what we can do. Just got the paper and they're about to bring it out to us. Yeah, this is the first time doing this. But we paid a total of $2,338.
Too much. Just kidding.
Really?
No.
It's debatable.
What's it the condition?
It has 100,000 miles. It has a K24 6-speed transmission.
I'm going to look at it.
So, but the paint is terrible on this thing. Like shitty. Like, you know how they clear bra the front? Where it doesn't like
yeah.
chip paint?
It's like the
So that is the best looking part of the car. But the rest is faded as fuck.
So that means we do have to repaint it?
Yes.
Fuck. Are we gonna paint it ourselves? Or pay someone to do it?
Probably pay someone. But yeah, I gotta get a charger after this because my phone's about to die. And we have an hour drive home, so.
More like an hour and a half.
Yeah, with this traffic, man. She said make sure the stock number matches the car, so.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna do. We just bought a new car, man.
It's right there.
Oh my god.
Dude,
oh my god.
There's no way we're taking that home. There's absolutely no way we're taking that home tonight.
Yes, we are, dude. It says it drives.
Okay, what about the truck?
My god, dude. Look, I'm taking it out like swinging and shit, dude. I have jumper cables in case it doesn't turn on, so.
I'll have it just having batteries.
Yeah. So what do we do? Just take it?
I don't know.
I paid for it.
With the keys?
No.
This man.
Oh my day, this TSX looks sick though. It's red. Oh, what's he doing?
I don't know.
Dude, he's about to pick it up again. Oh my god, what's he doing? I think you gotta follow him, bro.
Dude, I don't know how to follow.
There it is. There it is, guys.
Dude, that truck doesn't close. If it doesn't close, we need to go get some straps.
We gotta go buy rope.
So I took the Zac close.
It got hit in the rear, dude.
I didn't think it was that bad.
I hope the keys are inside. Oh shit, baby. I think it's a 2005. It is fucked up in the rear. Hey, the bumper's on.
Barely. Barely. It's taped up.
Oh shit, bro.
Alright.
Oh shit, what do we do? Let's go check it out.
Let's look at it first.
Okay. It's not that bad.
Not that bad, huh? Not that bad.
Dude, that's really not that bad, dude. Just gotta pull it out and we're good.
Yeah, pull it out, but we need to find rope.
Yeah, we gotta go buy some rope real quick. Cause, yeah. Look, this thing's like pink, bro.
It's like how?
Oh, I gotta match the number. Is there keys in there?
Yeah.
Does it run?
There's no lights.
Huh?
There's no lights.
Oh my god, 6-speed, baby! Let's go. How do I take these keys off? Let's see if it runs. Drive with this thing? Yeah. Lights? It's dead. You gotta jump it, bro. You gotta jump it. Let's go, baby! I hope the AC works. I would fucking die right now if it doesn't work. Yes, it works. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it's hot tank. Pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna tie the trunk up real quick and then go to the gas station. What do we do to ourselves, Max?
Okay, I pray that we make a home.
Yeah. I found this in my fucking toolbox thing. And yeah, let's tie it down. We can tie it from, oh my god.
Yeah, where? Where?
Let me see it. So tie it through here and then come around and then up and then we're gonna tie to probably somewhere down there. Yep. You pull it down to a tow hook or some shit. Man, fuck you, fool. You better love us for this.
I don't see a tow hook.
Oh my god. Dude, okay. Sorry, recording.
Where?
Oh my god, dude. What the fuck am I gonna tie it on, bro? Oh, I found something. Ooh, chicken. Hey. You're driving behind me, so.
Yeah, I'm driving behind you, but still.
Let's make this 1 hour drive home.
Fuck, alright.
Alright, let's go. Let's do this. First test drive, and it's pretty good right now. I haven't drove stick in a minute. Hopefully we don't have no overheating issues. This only has 100,000 miles, which is pretty damn good for its year. Oh my god, there's a cop right there. I've been driving this for the last 30 minutes and it feels amazing. Like AC works, the alignment's straight, suspension feels really nice, clutch, like everything feels really good on this car. This is a really good pickup. He's buying it because he wants to daily this one instead of the other TSX. So this is a really good find, super proud, and we're gonna freaking work on that back and then get it looking really good. Just want to update you guys about the car because it feels really damn good. So 2,300 bucks, fuck it, man.
All right.
Buy a TSX.
We'll see you in 2 weeks, in 2 months.
2 months?
Not a month.
Just dropped it off. Now I'm about to go pick up my Z. That shit gonna be exciting.
Yep. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna go home and eat.
Yeah, I might head home, eat real quick too. So let's see you at my house. Thank you, sir.
Yep. See
The
you
best.
tonight, maybe.
Yeah.
Read a car apart, you can see you.
Oh yeah, you'll see my Z tonight. Later. Oh man, that was a long drive. That was about 2 hours. Made it back home. Power run's amazing. We made it home safe, so that's good. Means nothing's broken. So did like idle a little weird when it was just sitting there. But now I'm gonna rest up real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick up my car within the next 2 hours. So got cash ready. Gonna go send it. But if you haven't already, please, if you want to, just subscribe, hit that button, help me out, like the video. It boosts up my videos to make it more viewable for other people, so that way we can build a bigger family and a bigger following. That was a lot to say. But yeah, on that, love you guys. Peace out.